Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are healthy and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Team. Today I am going to take English class for the students of class 5 on the topic Unseen Comprehension 3. I am repeating, today our topic is Unseen Comprehension and it is number 3. Our today's lecture number is 12 and there will be no homework for today's class. Now students, I am going to take the class. Please listen to me carefully. Unseen Comprehension 3. I am going to read the text. Once two women had a quarrel over a small boy. Each claimed to be the mother of the child. They were brought before a judge. The judge listened to both the women. It was really a difficult case to decide. The judge was confused. After thinking deeply, the judge found out the solution. He ordered one of his men cut the child into half. Let each woman have a cut. On hearing the judge's order, one of the women screamed out loudly and said, "Please have mercy on your lordship. Let the women have the baby. Let the poor boy live. I give up my claim to it." The other women remained silent. The wise judge recognized the real mother. He gave the baby to the woman who was ready to give up the claim. He sent the other woman to jail. So from this story we come to know that there were two women who were quarreling over a boy. They were claiming that they were the mother of the boy. So they went to a judge and the judge was in confusion after hearing both women. So after this, as the judge was wise, he thought about the incident deeply. Then he found out a solution and he ordered to his men to cut the child into half. So when the mothers here heard this decision, the real mother shouted. Here you can see one of the women screamed out loudly. So the real mother shouted loudly and said, "Please have mercy upon your lordship." So don't do this. The mother is saying don't do this because she wanted her child alive. And the other mother or the fake mother remained silent. And that time the wise judge recognized the real mother. The judge could understand who is the real mother of that boy. So the judge gave the baby to the woman, to the real mother, and the fake mother was sent to jail. Now students, we will do number 5. Write whether the following statements are true or false. If false for the correct answer. Number A, two women had a quarrel over a little girl. Students, can you understand? Is it true or false? Look at the first line. Once two women had a quarrel over a small boy. So over a small boy. Here the statement says girl. So definitely the statement is false. The women had a quarrel over a little girl. It will be false. So first one is false. Now come to number B. They were brought before a judge. Yes, look at this line. They were brought before a judge. So this statement is true. Number C. The little girl was confused. I'm repeating, the little girl was confused. So come to this line. The judge was confused. Now the students can understand whether it is true or false. It will be the judge, not the little girl. So it will be false. Number D, the judge ordered to cut the child into half. Students, is it correct? Is it true? Yes, look, he ordered one of his men, here he means the judge, cut the child into half. So this is a true statement. So we have to write true. Number A, the two women remained silent at the judge's decision. Is it correct? Is it true? No, it can't be true, because when the judge ordered to cut the child into half, one of the mothers screamed out loudly. Look at this. One of the women screamed out loudly and said, "Please have mercy, your lordship." So it will be false. Now students, will do number 6, fill in the blanks. Here you can see the box, and inside the box there are some words. The words are recognized, quarreling, stupid, both, saint, wise, shouting, some. You have to use these words and have to fill the blanks. Number A, the false mother was dashed to jail. So can you find which one will be here? The false mother was sent to jail. So here in gap we have to write sent. The false mother was sent to jail. Number B, two women were dashed for a baby. Two women were quarreling. So in the gap we have to write quarreling. Q-U-A-R-R-E-L-I-N-G. Quarreling. Number D, dash the women clean the baby. So in the gap, the word will be both. The word will be both. Both the women clean the baby. So the correct answer is both. Number A, the judge dash the real mother. The judge, can you understand what we have to pick from this box? It is recognized. The judge recognized the real mother. R-E-C-O-G-N-I-Z-E-T. Recognized. The judge recognized the real mother. Now students will do number 7, answer the following questions. So after reading this question, you have to give the answer of this. Look at here. Number A, question is, why were the two women quarreling? We know why were the two women quarreling? The answer is, the two women were quarreling over a small boy. You can find the answer in first line. Once two women had a quarrel over a small boy. So here we have written, the two women were quarreling over a small boy. Question number B, what did the judge order? So students, come to this passage. He ordered one of his men cut the child into half. So the order of the judge was to cut the child into half. So here we have to write, the judge ordered. Students, look here. The word in the question is order, but you have to write ordered. Do you know why we have to write ordered? Because look, in question we find did. So after do, does, did, we have to use base form of the verb. But while writing the answer, we have to use the past form. Because the question is in past form, we have to write the past form of the verb. The judge ordered to cut the child into half. Question number C, why did the real mother give up her claim? So for this question, we can write, the real mother gave up her claim because she wanted to see her son alive. Or you can write, the real mother gave up the claim because she didn't want to lose her child. Number D, what happened to the fake mother? So can you understand what happened to the fake mother? Look at this line. He sent the order other woman to jail. So other woman means the fake mother or false mother. So in this answer we can write, the fake mother was sent to jail. Question number E, was it easy for the judge to find a solution? Students, here in this line we find the judge was confused. The judge was confused. Why the judge was confused? Because both the women were claiming that the boy belongs to them. So it was not easy for the judge to find a solution. So how can we write? We can write no. It was not easy for the judge to find a solution because both the mothers were claiming that they were the mother of the boy. I'm repeating. The answer of question E is no. It was not easy for the judge to find a solution because both the mothers were claiming that they were the mother of the boy. Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Please practice at home. See you in our next class, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.